This is a review of the Pocket 7 2-in-1 vacuum and blower that I would highly recommend. This is pretty much a 2-in-1 feature. So you could pretty much have two in one. So you can have a blower and also a vacuum. It's really easy to use. I have it assembled as in the mode for the vacuum. And all you have to do is hold this button and then it's going to turn on, which I'm going to show you guys in a second. Right here is the extra filter. It's really easy to dispose. These are washable filters, so you can use them again. That's one thing I like about it. And this is a extra one, so they provide an extra one, which is pretty neat. And right here, it comes with the USB port, so it charges to your power brick, and that's something I like. It's not like a cigarette lighter where you have to charge it up to your cigarette lighter, and that's gonna, for some reason, I'm not really a huge fan of those ones. I like this one because it's more, all you have to do is just charge it up to your power brick and with the USB port, and then you just keep, it's like wireless, and you just go around and just, charge it up. You can use this for your car interior, pretty much your car, like little places of it, like the corners of your car, and pretty much your carpet as well too for your car. What I love about this, it's a small compact size where it's pretty much portable and you can move it around anywhere pretty much when you have it charged and when it's 100% charged. And you can see it comes with the pocket vacuum, when you're done using it, you can put in there, which is something I like about that as well too. This is pretty much accessories. If you're going to go do some car detailing or inside of your car, you could do this as well too. And I like the brittle brush it comes with as well too. This is for your pretty much if you're gonna use it for the blower option, which I'm gonna show you guys that in a second. And right now I'm gonna show you guys when I turn on, you have to hold it for like about 3 to 4 seconds. And you can see this is the vacuum mode, so you could vacuum little corners of your home, like on your table. If you see some dust or dirt or debris, you could do that as well too. You can use it for your countertops, your home, pretty much your little corners of your home. If you see any dirt, you can use this for your car, like I mentioned, your interior of your car, your vacuuming your car as well too. So I turn it off, and you can see that's the mode to do the vacuum mode. Now I'm gonna show you guys the blower mode. That's the thing I like about this product, that you can have in a 2-in-1, so you can have it in a vacuum mode and also a blower mode, which I'm gonna show you guys now. The blower mode. So I have it set to the blower mode, so I press this for 3 seconds, and you can see that it offers high suction. Like for example, the filter, you can see here that it just moved a little bit. It like tilted and shifted to there. It was about to fall down, but nonetheless, the pocket vacuum offers USB rechargeable, washable filters, and it's easy to empty out and to clean up again. The filters, like I mentioned, is 100% washable, and it comes with the extra one. I love the pocket vacuum because of how it offers 2-in-1. And this is something I would highly recommend if you're looking for tight little corners of your home, or if you're a car, or if you're doing car detailing, or pretty much any corner of your home. This is something that will definitely do the job, and I overall am happy with this product.